Got a little late night unboxing action going on. Got a little something from Chuck's Engine Service, Winnemac, Indiana. Phone number is going to be 946-4070. So it looks like if you ever need a reputable service, contact Chuck's. What do we got today? Well, I'm old school. So, guess what we got? What'll be cool on an old school Ford? An old school Ford setup. That's right. Got the little bit of a legendary flair going on. Because ain't no school like old school in my book. And if you're a blue oval guy, you'll know exactly, precisely what this is. That's right. Aluminum Fury going on there. Ford 3 barrel intake manifold setup. So, I figured once I get everything freshened up, this is the route we're going to go for intake. And this is an outstanding setup right here. Again, a factory unit. You could get it over the counter. It was available on some of the Fords as well. But when you look for classic speed, you look for something tried and true, and that's the setup. Now, one thing is that this is one heavy mother. So, and that's aluminum. So, that bad boy's got a little bit of girth to it. Okay. Got fresh kitted carbs. Got the 3 barrels. Got the kickdown rod, which you never find on these setups. Plus, got the proper fuel line going into the fuel log, and also the appropriate hosing, but most importantly, the bell crank linkages there too. So this is a nice setup, nice score. Looks like Chuck, they speak blue oval. So if you got an old school Ford, you want to get it done right, contact Chuck out of Winnemac. So I'll keep you guys posted as soon as I get some more updates.